Welcome to the QYC UINS Plus Underwater Integrated Navigation System tutorial.
Open the outer carton and remove the product and accessories in order. Note: ensure the ROV is powered off before installation. Install the QDVL sonar module. Turn the ROV over so the bottom faces up. Remove the protective cap from the bottom Q interface. Hook the front locking tabs of the bracket into the ROV's drainage slots. Left tab to the leftmost slot, right tab to the rightmost slot. Pull the bracket rearward. Align the bracket knob with the recessed groove on the ROV's bottom. Then turn the knob to lock. Align the key on the male connector with the keyway of the Q interface and insert. Push firmly until fully seated, then tighten the waterproof nut. The QDVL sonar module installation is complete. Install the GNSS locator. Take the articulating arm and loosen the black knurled nut. Mount one end of the arm to the locator, then retighten the black knurled nut to secure the arm to the locator. Take the GNSS locator and the cable. Connect the male end of the cable to the bottom port of the locator. To avoid pin damage, align the key on the male plug with the keyway on the female socket before insertion. Press the plug firmly until fully seated, then tighten the waterproof nut. Take out the top quick-release mount and flip the mounting plate over. Attach the other end of the joint arm to the center slot of the quick-release mount. Use the black fastener nut to secure it. Remove the waterproof cap from the ROV's top Q port. Align it with the dual slots on top of the ROV and place it down. Turn the front and back knobs to lock it in place. Align the key on the cable plug with the Q interface keyway and insert. Press the male plug firmly until fully seated, then tighten the waterproof nut. The GNSS locator installation is complete. Connect the tether spool and controller. Power on the controller and ROV. Open the Fifish app and tap the toolbox icon to enter the UINS navigation system interface.
The Fifish app interface. Designed for industrial applications, the Fifish app integrates smart path planning, POI, points of interest, and logging. Its user-friendly interface ensures simple, efficient operation, enhancing your underwater experience. The Fifish app interface consists of camera and map pages. During navigation, the camera page displays real-time footage, camera settings, and ROV posture. On the map page, users can create and execute various navigation tasks. To use the map page, tap the toolbox on the camera page. Enable Underwater Inertial Navigation System, UINS. Open the Fifish app map page. The top area contains map settings and navigation info. Clear ROV trajectory, close map. Settings. Enter the Settings menu. Settings Overview. Status info. Shows the current state of the QDVL module. Custom map. Enter Google Tile Map or custom map URLs and zoom ranges for targeted viewing. Others. Default auto navigation parameters. Logs. Tap the right arrow to manage navigation logs. View, download, delete. Tap Exit to return. Offline map. Use pre-downloaded maps for areas without network. Switch map. Switch to other maps. Coordinates. Tap any point to show its latitudes, longitude. Navigation info left shows current ROV depth, echo sounder altitude, and forward distance. Satellite info, GPS signal and satellite count. ROV real-time status, displays depth, QDVL altitude, distance, heading, cumulative error, mileage, X, Y start coordinates, and relative X, Y speeds at the DR point for a quick ROV posture overview. The left area is for map and waypoint settings. 1. Search. Enter coordinates to view and mark a POI. 2. Return to home. The ROV automatically navigates to the home point. 3. Home point setting. Add a home point on the map. Only one can exist. Delete the old one to set a new one. 4. Locate terminal. Return to the remote controller's location. 5. Locate initial point. Return to the first manual DR plus location. 6. Locate ROV. Return to the ROV's location. 7. Zoom in, out. Adjust and view the map scale. The right area is for navigation tasks. 1. Surface navigation. Set route planning. 2. Log recording. Start or stop navigation logs. 3. Set starting point, DR+. Initialize the ROV's location to get real-time tracking. 4. Position update, DR. Update location when the GNSS locator surfaces. 5. Help. Button descriptions. 6. UINs. Configure inertial navigation. See UINs tutorial. 7. POI. Mark. Quickly mark the ROV's current coordinates and depth using a point or flag icon. The bottom area displays the ROV's current latitude and longitude for a quick location overview. Offline map feature. The UINs Plus underwater integrated navigation system supports 3 map modes: online, offline, and custom. If the satellite or network signal in the operating area is weak, please download the offline map in advance to ensure smooth operation. With your mobile device connected to the internet, open the Fifish app. Tap Help in the bottom right corner of the main interface to enter the Help menu. Select QPS Offline Map Download to enter the offline map selection interface. Tap Switch Map in the top left corner to view map options and load a map online. Tap the search icon in the bottom left, enter the latitude and longitude near your operating area, and tap Confirm. The map will pan to the specified location, wait for the map to load, then tap Start Selecting Area. Set the start and end points of your desired area to automatically generate a rectangular selection. Drag the start/endpoints to adjust the size. Tap Download. Confirm the map tiles in the prompt and begin the download. Do not close the app or lock your screen before the download is complete. The interface may vary across different mobile operating systems. iOS devices, switch maps according to your needs. This video uses Mapbox as an example. Operations for other maps remain the same. Android devices. Turn on the offline map toggle in the top right corner to enter offline mode, then tap Switch Map to select your downloaded offline map. Position initialization. Using the position initialization feature, the ROV automatically calibrates its initial location via the GNSS locator. This provides a highly accurate initial value for underwater tasks, improving navigation accuracy in environments without satellite signals. Connect and power on the ROV. Open the Fifish app, tap the toolbox icon, and enable forward lock. Next, enable underwater inertial navigation system. The GNSS locator will automatically complete the position initialization, and the interface will prompt DVL Dead Reckoning initialization successful. Surface navigation planning. This tutorial uses vertical surface navigation as an example. Enter surface navigation mode, set routes, and select the type based on the scenario. General scan for flat or irregular surfaces like dams and hulls. Cylindrical scan for cylindrical objects like bridge piers and wind turbines. Inner scan for internal spaces like storage tanks and aquaculture cages. Path. Type. Adjust the route direction. Horizontal route. Recommended when width greater than depth. Vertical route. Recommended when depth greater than width. Direction. Choose the ROV's movement direction. Set overall parameters. Configure horizontal length, forward distance, start, end depth, interval, and speed based on inspection needs. Once set, tap Confirm to start automatic surface navigation. During task execution, switch to a multi-window display to seamlessly toggle between info screens for real-time visualization. POI settings. The POI feature allows users to customize and save waypoint data based on their needs. The marked information will continuously displays on the APP interface, letting operators quickly view details for easy recording and traceability. Tap the POI icon in the bottom right to place a mark above the ROV icon. Tap the newly created POI to customize its settings. POI Settings Guide. Tap the POI icon to configure. 1. Name. Tap the text box to rename. 2. Depth. Tap the text box to set. 3. Type. Change the icon type. 4. Latitudes, longitude, customize coordinates. 5. Delete. Tap to remove the POI. 6. DR. Set as initial point, useful when GNSS is underwater, unavailable. Manually moves ROV icon here. 7. Depth lock. Maintain a set depth from the water surface. 8. Altitude lock. Maintain a set altitude from the seabed. Tap Save to apply changes. Smart Return to Home. The Smart Return to Home feature allows you to quickly terminate an ROV cruise from the app and automatically navigate back to the starting point. Before using, set a home point. Tap the home point icon, select an appropriate location on the map, and set the return to home depth, for example 0.5 meters. While operating underwater, to use this feature, safely surface the ROV, ensuring the thrusters remain submerged. Tap the Return to Home icon and select Yes on the prompt. The ROV will automatically navigate to the home point. If the ROV is currently performing an auto cruise, you must manually tap Stop before executing Return to Home. Log Recording. The Log Recording feature logs the ROV's navigation tasks and automatically generates a log file upon completion. Tap the log recording icon to start. Once the autonomous navigation is complete, tap the icon again to stop and automatically generate the log. Tap the settings button in the top right, then select the logs option. Here, you can view all log documents and choose to download or delete them. Tap download on a document to save it to your local storage. This concludes the QYC UINS Plus Underwater Integrated Navigation System tutorial. Thank you for watching.